Hello my darlings, and welcome. In this video, I make a magical pine cone filled with wishes for the coming year. Burn this wishing cone in a Yuletide fire to charge and release your intentions. Let's do some magical crafting. Yule is a time that's filled with potential, and the 12 days of Yule between winter solstice and 12th night are days outside of time. I'm starting with a pine cone and a baking cup. You'll also need some kind of cotton yarn or twine to act as a wick. And you'll need slips of paper for your wishes. I like to add glitter for some sparkle, but it's not really necessary to have. I'm starting with my wishes for the winter season, and I'm starting with what I like to think of as the big four. For me, the top 4 focuses in my life during the winter season are success and prosperity in health, business, home, and love. Of course, your wishes will look different from mine, as you should focus on whatever's most important to you in the coming months. My next wishes are for small things that bring me joy all year, but especially at wintertime. Rain is very rare where I live, and we usually only get it during winter. Rain is one of the things that brings me joy, as well as staying indoors and playing games. I'm looking forward to having fun times with friends and making lots of great meals to share this winter. I want to point out that all of the wishes on your wishing cone do not have to be heavy hitters. They don't all have to be focused on spirituality or your magical path. Take some time to consider what brings you real joy, what activities are accessible to you, and would bring happiness to those around you and yourself. Feel free to make your wishes as specific as you want. Next, I'm looking forward into the new year, and I really want to learn a new skill. I'm thinking about learning to make handmade stamps. And of course, I want to do lots of art projects in the new year. Magical arts and crafts are what I'm all about. Every piece of art or craft I make is a little spell in and of itself, as it holds my energy and intention. And looking forward to warmer days, I want to spend more time at the beach in the new year as well. You can write as many wishes as your pine cone will hold, or you could have the members of your household each write wishes to add to the wishing cone. As I fold each wish up, I take a moment to focus on the paper and place my intentions on every little roll. The next step is to melt some wax. I'm using beeswax pellets, but you can use any wax that you have available. Another good option is soy wax. And another option is to save the drippings and tail ends of your candles all year and melt them down at Yule to make a wishing cone or other Yule crafts like candles and fire starters. Following the lunar calendar, there are 12 days left over at the end of the year, starting on winter solstice and going until the 12th night. These 12 nights are a special time where the veil between the worlds is thin and celebration abounds. It's a time of turning inward and contemplation. It's also a time of great potential waiting to burst forth in the new year and grow with the growing of the sun. I like the idea of this time of year holding potential, and this is why a wishing cone seems so appropriate to make. I'm dipping my cotton wick into the melted wax to coat it. Once the wick has cooled, wrap it around inside the cone from the bottom to the top. Next, it's time to add your wishes. Place them snugly into the cone. Next, place the cone onto waxed paper or in a baking cup to catch any extra wax, and it's time to coat the wishing cone with wax. This will hold the wishes in place, and it will help the cone burn easily as well. Another optional step is to add some glitter. This glitter was gifted to me by another witch, and I think it makes my crafts look extra magical. And your wishing cone is ready to use. You can burn it in your Yuletide fire to charge and release your intentions, either as part of a Yule ritual or as a fun tradition with friends or family. I hope this video inspires you to make your own wishing cone for the Yuletide season, and have a blessed winter solstice.